Usually when I'm eating roti bread, I have it as a side with my curry. But do you know what? This is a fantastic bread to have as a sweet pastry. So I'm going to show you a really delicious dish that reminds me of the streets of Bangkok. This is a roti pancake with bananas. Now I'm using a wholemeal roti bread because I like the nutty flavour of it, and we need to warm it up in a pan. A dry pan, no oil required, and you just want to hear a really light sizzle. Once it starts to warm up, I'm going to turn it over and then we can add our filling. Now you can add any filling you like, but this is super traditional. Nice ripe bananas, and the riper they are, the sweeter the inside is going to be. And don't forget, a ripe banana, once it warms up, almost turns into like a custard. So we're going to cut this on an angle, really fine slices of the banana. And the finer it is, the faster it's going to cook and turn into that custard-like filling. Now I'm going to turn over the roti. You can see how it starts to become really pliable, and now we can start filling it. So in with the bananas. I'm just going to put it on one side because we need to flip it over, and don't overfill it. Now you can keep it as simple as this, or you can put your own little twist. I've done this before with a little bit of ginger. I'm adding some cinnamon today and some lemongrass, which goes really well with bananas, just to give this a little bit of a tropical feel. The lemongrass is obviously going to give it a lemon flavour, but also a balmy flavour, which goes nicely. So just finely grating some lemongrass. You don't need too much. And now it's time to fold over our roti pancake. So flipping it and then pressing down on it so it starts to stick together. Flip it again. And now I'm going to fold this over to make the perfect triangle. Now warm that up for a little longer. That gives me enough time to make one more. Okay, my second roti pancake is ready, so I'm just going to lean it next to the other one, and it's delicious like that. But to take it to the next level, you have to add some extra sweetness, and this is very traditional for roti gula, or the banana pancakes, is this condensed milk. So we're just going to drizzle that over the top onto the plate. How good does that look? And that is one very delicious snack or easy dessert. Roti, usually you associate with Indian curries. Absolutely not. You can also use it as a great sweet snack. And look, that took 5 minutes. Super easy.